Hi, in this video I will walk you through Weekendly, a weekend planning tool that will help you plan your perfect weekend by choosing activities based on your mood and the themes. So let's start creating it. You can choose it by themes where we have predefined activities planned for you, or you can start from scratch. Let's start building it from the scratch. So this is the dashboard which you will see once you enter. Now we will start adding activities for the Saturday. So for Saturday, these are the activities. You can see the curated activities we have. We also have different filters. So morning I want to start looking at by food and dining options that I have. So this I will start. I would like to add a brunch at local cafe. So one activity has been added for the Saturday. Now next let's create all these filters. Um, we can also change the view, the grid view and the detail view. After that I would like to want to go on a hike, then I can enter the. So two activities has been planned. So not only we have the curated activities, I also have integrated. uh, so this is the way I can look into the real places and activities near my location. So this is my current location and these are the nearby places I have. So I can also add them. I can also look them by parks. I can look into the nearby parks I have. This is using an API and fetching it based on the location. So yeah, like I want to add in park. So I want to add this park for 2 hours. I can add it into the schedule. So this is one of the feature I have added here. Also here you can adjust these activities. Like first I want to keep the hike and then I want to go to the cafe, and as you observe, the start time and end time was also adjusted based on the uh, drag and drop we have done. And also we can adjust the start time and end time of each activity, like if you want to make it two. And like also ensure that I have handled the proper edge case. Like if I try adding it to the previous one, like if I'm looking at to add it 12 p.m. and try to save, it will show me the time is conflicting with the previous activity. So to ensure that there is no conflict, so I was adding this feature so I can uh, plan it accordingly. Now I'll keep it at 2 p.m. and save. So this is one of the feature which I have done. And also I can delete the activities. Same, like I can plan activities for the other day based on the location. Maybe I want to start with fitness on the Sunday. I'll look. I got some of the gyms that I have, swimming pools. So I would like to start with swimming pool. Then I can add this for 90 minutes. And along with that, I can also add the curated activities like movie in this time. So once we have planned the activity, the next feature is to, if you want to share with anyone, then I have a share button here. If I want, like you can copy the text, you can download the calendar. So this you can schedule. And also a cool feature I added is I can share it on the Twitter. So if you can see, it will open my Twitter account along with the plan I had. Like Saturday, Sunday I have planned this and I can post it here. So this is the one of the cool share feature I have added it. So to ensure persistency, like when you refresh this page, the activities are locally saved and you can start from the way you have continued it. So this will ensure that the activities, if unfortunately you quit the app and come back, you will still see they have saved in locally, so that you can plan it accordingly from where you have removed it. So these are the core functionalities added here. So now let me talk about the key decisions that I have made. So first one, as I have seen, I have added a location-based integration based on the nearby places. So this was one of the biggest challenge, to integrate location-based activities, and if you need to fetch the activities based on your nearby place. Next important feature which I have added here is smart time management. So the most complex part was building the smart scheduling system that will prevent the conflicts, as I've shown you, that ensure that start time is greater than the previous activity, and also next the end time is also under the next activities time. So all these edge cases and auto adjusting the time when the user is making that changes and adjusting it, I have ensured that this is done here. Now for here I have used dust stand for state management over Redix for simplicity, and also the main goal was to manage the state and also updating the UI when you add the activities. We ensure that these are added over there.